I've got 3 Mercies right now, 3 gated cars, all getting restored all at the same time. I haven't picked up the camera in almost 4 months now because I haven't posted these videos yet. I'll give you guys like a small sneak peek. Tomorrow is the final day of filming for the Scuba Gotti. But I'm happy to say that I am no longer in... Oh man, does this feel kind of awkward, to be honest with you guys. I haven't picked up the camera in almost 4 months now. July 3rd was almost the last time I posted a video. I actually just lied. I have made some videos since then. I just haven't posted them. So I kind of wanted to address that, and then I kind of wanted to just dive right back into it, start posting the content that I didn't post, and kind of explain just a little bit of the reason why I haven't made a video in a while. Now, the past 3 months were they were rough, guys. I mean, I wouldn't say like crazy, but they were kind of stressful. I needed a break. I had a lot of stuff to do. I was exiting a company, and that took some time. There was a lot of little dotted I's and crossing T's going on there. But I'm happy to say that I am no longer in the restaurant industry, and it's great. I'm really happy about it. I'm over at my wife's furniture store, Sanctuary, and I just got the new wall wrap installed for Immersive, which is my home theater company. These are like my passion businesses. They don't make any money, but it's really cool. I don't know if you remember, OG subscribers will remember, like 4 years ago, I built a movie theater in my house, and then I was like, man, this was really expensive. I should find a way to save money on this. And so I did, and I was able to lock in the master agreement for Macintosh Labs, which is one of the largest audio amplifier companies on the planet. And we're able to be the distributor for all these products. Tony likes Macintosh. I just got a plug, you know, I haven't made any revenue in like 4 months. So, you know, I try to see if I can convince the people watching here to come spend money at this store because we all need it. We've got the orange set carbon. This is actually mine, not for sale. Sorry guys, but look at these safes. We're doing these super sick custom safes. My boy John, TK422. Look at this, that's a rotisserie inside the safe. This one's got a factory Porsche 918 steering wheel on it. Okay, Tony, we got to get out of here. No more plugs. Why? No more plugs. All right, we're gonna go and check out the Yellow Mercy. The Yellow Mercy went to Northern California to a facility that repairs carbon fiber because those fenders are glued in. I got the carbon fixed, new carbon laid, everything's perfect, and they're prepping it for paint right now. So let's go show you that car because it's been about 3 months at the carbon facility, and it's pretty epic. I'm pretty stoked about that car right there. What are you doing? Ooh, don't tell him that. I'm filming this. Right. Edmund's race cars for sale. If you guys want to buy it, he wants 200, but I'll sell it for 350. Kidding. It's 250, right? Yeah, I gotta go make YouTube videos to pay my bills now because I can't sell chicken anymore. All right? Edmund's always asking me some dumb shit. I love that guy. And there she is. See, look, Andy's even working on it right now. Man, literally most productive person in my life. Andy. Definitely not Tony. Definitely not Tony. What do you got going on here? So we're pulling this glass?
Yeah, I think it's gonna take a while.
No, the whole car is gonna get repainted. Here you can see they've already got majority of the paint off, but it just takes time. You know, you just gotta keep going and going and going, and it's perfectly smooth now, inside and out. There was new carbon fiber laid in there, and they did all that stuff, and they figured out how to make it perfect, and well, it's obviously perfect. On this side, same exact thing. You can see this is actually the line that's perfect for the fender and everything. All this is exact factory spec, so, you know, roof is almost there, all these things. This is like high spots in the paint, which is pretty wild if you think about it. Like, they're taking sandpaper and sanding it down and then getting all the paint off, right? So it's gonna be all gray, and they're gonna paint it over again. Windshield's on its way out right now, so they can paint the inside of that. And the frame, which we know was perfectly fixed by King's Auto Body. So if you guys need your frame fixed, send it over there. Here is the factory rear bumper. There's Tony not doing shit still. That's the update that we got for the Mercy. I would say 2 weeks away from having this car probably 100% done. Interior is gonna get refreshed, which it doesn't really need, but why not at this point, right? I'm gonna send it off to E3 and get all the leather completely done up in brand new black with the yellow stitch. So it just doesn't have Damon's butt prints in it anymore. He's got a big butt apparently. So, hello. Because I haven't posted these videos yet, I'll give you guys like a small sneak peek of the other project. I've got 3 Mercies right now, 3 gated cars, all getting restored all at the same time. This one here is in the box or open. There's an engine, there's axles. Wow. This is a Murcielago and essentially 7-8 pallets and a couple of big boxes. No joke. Wire harnesses, everything. This is actually Gallardo taillights right here. That just got mixed up. Let me tell you guys, these cars are no joke. The Italians that glued them together, you know, it's tough. Why you thought glue was the right thing to do for these cars? Because it definitely is not easy to work on. You pull apart an Aventador in like 10 hours solid, repaint the whole car, put it back together. It's all nuts and bolts and super easy. Phantom's getting the service done. Just did 20,000 miles. I did like 3 rallies on this car. We got to get brakes, rotors, pads. It's over. That was a video. I'm gonna call it quits, and I'm gonna start posting my other ones that we already made here next. So you'll see the Mercy behind me. We'll start working on that one. A couple of the cars on this side, we'll start working on those. Tomorrow is the final day of filming for the Scuba Gotti, my Scuba car. We're going to the dyno, and I made a small mistake on the first dyno trip, which is about 3 weeks ago. We've rectified it, and now we're out for the big power. So you guys stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel if you want to. Don't really care. Tony over there.
Don't care.
But do I? All right, I do care. I do care. Everybody's asking me to come back on YouTube.
Everybody's asking.
They just wanted to see you.
They want to see you.
They just wanted to see you.
They want to see you. They've been asking for you for a long time.
They want to see beer?